Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So there is no surprise here, I have a Super Tarts haul. Let's just get right down to that. So back there I have my little buddy Baby Yodes, and he is smelling his Waxy Wax and deciding if it smells like chicken tendies or chicken nuggies. So he's going to join me. Alright, let's just bust right into this because I feel like I ramble on way too long. So the first sample I got, this is also, so this is a ready to ship order and also the fruity pre-order. I feel like it was fruity, tropical, and berries, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not sure. It just says fruity on my invoice, but I thought it was fruity, tropical, berries. I don't remember. So Lucille is chocolate orchid and blue sugar. Now I thought this was Lucille, like the bat that Negan carried around in Walking Dead. Wasn't it named Lucille? Or was it, oh shoot, maybe it wasn't Lucille. I thought, anyways, it's the I Love Lucy. It's based off of I Love Lucy. When I first smelled it, I thought it smelled very manly, but it's chocolate orchid and blue sugar. Would have never guessed. I don't even like blue sugar. It just smells good. It's like a little bit floral, and that chocolate orchid scent like kind of takes that blue sugar down a little bit, because I don't like blue sugar that much. It just smells nice. Kind of a little manly. I don't really know how to describe that one. The next one I have is No One, and this is Lord of Misrule type, which I could not think of what Lord of Misrule was. It's patchouli, black pepper, and vanilla, or Madagascar vanilla, I think is what Lush has it as, but I cannot remember what it was. And then it's mixed with pink sugar. So it's Lord of Misrule type and then pink sugar. I like this. To me, the pink sugar, just because I don't like Lord of Misrule on its own. I like it mixed in blends. She has a few good blends, like Draco is one that is great. But this one, I think with the pink sugar, I don't love pink sugar, but this blend I really like. So if you're not sure of Lord of Misrule, but you can handle like a kind of a girly aspect to it, you might like that one. Mint to Be, which I think was part of her advent calendar. I had no idea what was, I mean, I knew it was mint, but I had no idea that some of these other notes were in here. So it's cucumber, fresh mint, cologne, and menthol. I get menthol and mint. Not really cucumber or cologne. Yeah, I smell menthol and mint. Alright, so let's do, well, I'm just going to kind of go. I'm just going to pull out as needed. That didn't sound right. Jeez. Okay. Way to go. First thing in the morning. So 90210 was from the Fruity pre-order. Was it? Yeah, okay. I'm so confused. Peach, coconut, spun sugar, vanilla cream, beach florals, ocean air, and melon. So I believe the original scent description for this was peach smoothie and seaside. Is that right? Peach smoothie, seaside. I did not shut the laundry room door. This is going to be a hot mess. And it's loud in there today. I've got bedding. And if you guys know about putting bedding in the washer, it just always wants to be super loud. Or wait, is there waffle cone in here too? I swear there was like, shoot, I don't know. Like these new scent descriptions really have me screwed up. Wait a second. Was it peach smoothie? Maybe it was cotton candy and beach florals. I swear there was waffle cone in here, but I guess not. So this one smells so much better than I had originally remembered. I remember I got this when it first had come out, and I was just not loving it. The peach is very light in here. It's not a super dominant peach. I did not like that seaside scent either. I think that's, if that's what it was, but I don't mind this one at all. That one's really pretty. I actually grabbed a few more because I liked it so much. So the next one I have is, this is from the Ready to Ship, Peppermint Stress Relief. And this is peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, and ozone. To me, this just sounded really nice. So there's that. This one's really pretty. It's It's not overly peppermint. I don't love her eucalyptus oil, but the eucalyptus in here is fine. I don't know if I get lavender. If it's her herbal lavender, it's not her creamy lavender. It's not like her lavender cream. So it just smells good. I feel like this one needs a warmer to really gauge what's going on in there. The next one I have is Harley Quinn, and this is pink sugar, waffle cone, and blackberry. So I've had Harley Quinn before. I believe I reviewed it a while back because I was trying to try some of her more popular scents. Harley Quinn is one of her more popular scents, but I don't tend to like her more popular scents. I tend to like the ones that aren't as popular. And I wanted to try this one again because I was like, you know what, that doesn't really sound like a bad blend. So this one is good. It's sweet. You get a nice soft pink sugar. It's not overbearing. The blackberry is not weird. It just smells really good. So we'll try this and see how it does. This was from the ready to ship, and I'm so glad I grabbed this one. This is Campfire Cologne and Sugar Crystals. This is Gale. This is one I never would have picked up before, but I was trying to get some things like cologne for my husband because he likes mostly cologne scents or like the manly. This is so good. It's definitely cologne, but that campfire, like, I'm guessing it's, I'm gonna say it's campfire marshmallow, but it's not. I think it's more of like actual campfire. Just smells really manly and masculine. The next one I have is Storm, and this is from the ready to ship. So this is Ocean Rain and Peppermint. I've had this one before, but it's been a while. And from what I remember of this one, I remember it had a strange undertone, and I had forgot that until I got it in, and then I was like, oh. It smells better. Like, I feel like the undertone is not as strong as it was before, but this is one of those ones that has kind of an undertone to it. I don't know if it's just the oil or what. But I like the peppermint in here. It's not super strong. And the Ocean Rain is different than, like, I feel like the Rain potion pack that I have, or Rain that I've gotten from any other vendor. This is definitely a different, I don't recognize it. It's not like Salty Sea Air or Ocean Breezes or anything like that that I've seen from other vendors and whatnot. So there's so many different oils out there too, different, you know, fragrance oils, you just never know. So Doomsday, I love the packaging on this, like so bright and pretty. So this is plum, iced tea, and lemon. This is a stretch for me. I don't like lemon and I don't like tea, but I was like, you know what? I haven't had that in a while. Let me try it. And I have to say I'm not disappointed. I don't know why, like for some reason in my head, I just get these like ideas about like, I don't like iced tea. If it's got lemon in it, don't get it. It's got plum, you don't like plum. But now that I'm smelling it, it's like a super sweet tea. Not sweet tea as in like southern sweet tea, but it's got that plum, a very sweet lemon, sweet plum. The tea's not like a super strong tea, so I really like that one. Of course, obviously now when it's warmed, you know, that could be a different story, but. Okay, and then I was able to grab, there was only one on the website when she did like the restock. It's Mango Mama's Family. So I didn't love, I feel like I'm saying that a lot. I didn't love Mama's Family, but Mango Mama's Family is a totally different story. So Mama's Family was lemon curd, laundry, and blackberry, I think was the original. And then mango obviously makes it Mango Mama's Family. The mango in this is so good. It really cuts down on that regular Mama's Family scent. If I'm remembering Mama's Family correctly, I remember how strong it was, and I was just like, whoa. Lemon curd for me is too much sometimes in scents. Just so strong. And in this one, the mango really just takes center stage. And it really just cools down the whole Mama's Family scent. So I like this. I like that it's got the mango in there and not so strong on everything else. If you like Mama's Family and you want it toned down a little bit, that Mango Mama's Family is perfect. So the next one I have is Pearfect. And this is pear, strawberry, and ginger ale. I like this. I like ginger ale scents. Angie said this is ruined because it has ginger ale in it, but if you like ginger ale, I feel like it's very light. I'm not sure what she's talking about. Because I feel like the ginger ale, I mean, it's in there, but it's not as strong as it could be, you know, in other scents that I've had or smelled that have really strong ginger ale scents. The pear is, I don't get a lot of strawberry, but I feel like the pear is kind of the dominant scent. Yeah, I'm not getting a lot of strawberry. It's mostly pear ginger ale. There's a strawberry in there, but it's not like her weird strawberry. It's not a fresh picked strawberry, I don't think. So I like that one. I like ginger ale scents in general, so yeah. So the next thing I grabbed is the pastry pack in Happy Birthday. So I love to blend Happy Birthday with, let's see, what has she blended it with? Rain. Now I'm forgetting. But anyways, Rain is a great blend with Happy Birthday. I don't know why, it just works. So Happy Birthday is buttercream, strawberry, and birthday cake. And this was so much more fruity than I remember it being. It's creamy, like you can smell the buttercream. I don't get a lot of like birthday cake sitting here. Now on the warmer, I feel like it comes out more. But to me, this is a really nice strawberry. The buttercream makes it sweeter, and it's just a good, it is very fruity. Like, it is more fruity than I remember it. So, okay, that is it. That is my small Super Tarts haul. Baby Yoda helped me here. So yeah, that was it. I love everything that I got. There's nothing that I'm like, ooh, except for that storm. I kind of forgot about that undertone, that kind of strange undertone, but I think maybe it'll go away on warm, and everything else smells great. So if you picked anything up from the fruity pre-order or the ready to ship, let me know, because she restocked quite a bit of things, like, you know, some of the more popular blends that people like. So yeah, if you grab some stuff, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, I hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.